Yeah. Yo, it sounds like a jet plane.
Dude, it really does, actually.
So we were at 18 point something at the beginning. Now we've got 19.0 save. Alright, we can try that. Alright, so we know this thing runs. We know it moves at least around the shop. But now we're going to put it around the neighborhood in low RPM to take it on a little maiden voyage and see how she does.
How'd it go?
Lost the clutch.
What?
Yeah. Completely. Pedal's completely dead.
I think it's the master, or?
I don't know, man. Okay, so maiden voyage was going great until it wasn't. We lost pressure in the clutch pedal. As you can see, we've got some fluid on the ground there and a leak from just behind the bell housing. So yay for dropping the transmission again.
Watch your face with that.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, camera. You okay?
Yep, yep.
Sit down. Alright, get your hand out. I got it.
Alright, you want to slide it back?
Yeah. Just casual.
What's up, man?
We found our issue. The old throwout bearing used to be one piece, such as this, and now it's in two. And it just decided it wanted to be in two pieces, but unfortunately that does not work for our setup. So, hauled butt to AutoZone before it shut down. It was like 8:40 when I left the shop. They closed at 9. I got there like 8:56. Thankfully the guys were cool. So now I just gotta get these fittings transferred over, put it back in, slap everything back together, bleed the clutch, and hope and pray this does not happen again. This was actually the throwout bearing that I have had in the car for the past like 2 years. I don't know why I decided to reuse it. I guess in the moment I was just like, it looks good, and just put it together. So lesson learned, got a new one, and here's to hoping it all stays together. Ready?
Yep.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, exhaust is tight.
Sorry, neighbors. The new slave cylinder's in. Everything seems to be feeling good and holding up. So the next step is to get this thing in the trailer, because tomorrow we're going to see Nick at Throttle Junkie Tuning and finally put this car on the dyno.